Hey guys, welcome to Learning Chinese with Chin and Chin. So today's video, I'm going to teach you about the pinyin for the lesson 2. For lesson 1, we have learned the consonants and the vowel of the Chinese. So today's I will going to teach you how we apply them into your learning journey. So before the starting of this chapter, I want to show you one character. Could you tell me how to pronounce this character? If you don't know Chinese and you haven't learned Chinese before, I believe that you cannot pronounce it because Chinese character and English is a bit different. English, you can spell it, but Chinese character, you cannot spell it. Normally, we have to remember how to pronounce it. That's how we learn Chinese 1,000 years ago. We have to learning and remember every character. Just remember like, oh, okay, this character look like this and pronounce like this. But at the last century, the pinyin has been invented. And since then, we start to using pinyin in our learning journey. When I really young, I using pinyin to learn some basic word, and around the grade 2, the pinyin has started to disappear from my textbook. This is how I learn Chinese. And the pinyin normally placed above the Chinese character to showing that, okay, this character are pronounced like this. How we pronounce it, normally when you're really young and your teacher will teach you, this is bo and this is a. Then when you together will be ba with first tone, ba. That's how we pronounce this character, ba, which means 8. As I mentioned before, the pinyin consists of 3 elements, which is consonants, vowel, and tones. There is 4 tones in Chinese, which is first tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone. We can look at these pictures. It's similar to learning sing a song. Every tone has different tone, obviously. So we start from the first tone, a bit higher, and we use the word that we have learned before, which is ba. The first tone is a bit higher. Ba, ba, ba. The second tone is from middle to high. Ba, ba. The third one is go to down a bit and go up. Ba, ba. The fourth tone is from the top to the bottom, which is ba, ba. Let's try again. Ba, ba, ba. Ba. So let's replace with other pinyin. So this one is ji, yi, ji. The first tone is ji, ji. The second tone is ji, ji. The third tone is ji, ji. And the last tone is ji. Ji, 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 ji. But beside this 4 tone, there is another additional tone in China. But normally we don't count it as a tone because this tone can be a bit different according to the word. We call it neutral tone. For the neutral tone, we doesn't have any tone mark on the pinyin, so basically only the consonant with vowel. And normally it doesn't come alone. It has to come with other word. Just for example, ba ba. Ba ba means father. Mama. Mama means mother. So this is today's video. We have learned some basic Chinese about the pinyin. So for the next video, I'm going to take you guys for starting some easy way to greeting in Chinese and to ask about how are you today, something like this for the greeting. If you like my video, don't forget to follow my channels. See you next time. Bye bye.